Good morning, everyone. Today's I tell about you pharmacogenomics, the right drug to the right person. First of all, I tell about you pharmacogenomics. The term pharmacogenomics comes from the words pharmacology. What is pharmacology? Pharmacology is the science of drug, and genomics is the study of genes and their functions. And thus the intersection of pharmaceutical and genetics. Pharmacogenomics deals with the influence of genetic variation on drug response by correlating gene expression, our polymorphism with a drug's efficacy or toxicity. It intends to identify individuals who are either more likely or less likely to respond to a drug, as well as those who require an altered dose of certain drugs. What is pharmacogenetics? Pharmacogenetics is the often a study of variation in a targeted gene. Our groups of functionally related genes of variability in drug response refers to how variation in one single gene influences the response to a single drug. What is pharmacogenomics? Pharmacogenomics is the use of genetic information to guide the choice of drug and does on an individual basis. Pharmacogenomics the right drug to the right person. Pharmacogenomics is the study of how an individual's genetic inheritance affects the body's response to drugs. The term comes from the words pharmacology and genomics and is thus the intersection of pharmaceutical and genetics. Pharmacogenomics holds the promise that drugs might one day be tailor-made for an individual and adapted to each person's own genetic makeup, environment, diet, age, lifestyle, and state of health all can influence a person's response to medicines. But understanding an individual's genetic makeup is thought to be key to creating personalized drugs with greater efficacy and safety. The way a person responds to a drug that includes both positive and negative reactions is a complex trait that is influenced by many different genes without knowing all of the genes that could predict a person's response to a particular drug. One scientist discovered that people's genes show small variations in their nucleotide DNA bases contained all the that changed genetic testing for predicting drug responses now possible. Pharmacogenomics combines traditional pharmaceutical science such as biochemistry with annotated knowledge of gene, proteins, and single nucleotide polymorphism. The most common variation in the human genome are called single nucleotide polymorphisms. It's called SNPs. There is estimated to the approximately 11 million SNPs is the human population with an average of an every 1300 basis pairs. The goal of pharmacogenomics is to understand polymorphism of drug metabolizing enzymes, second transporters, and our receptors as that ultimately determine the outcome of drug therapy. Research in the field of pharmacogenetics is moving in two main directions. First, identification of specific gene and their product that are associated with a different disease and may be targets for new treatments. Identification of genes are allelic variation of gene that may affect the response to drug of disease. Advantage and disadvantage of pharmacogenomics. Pharmacogenomics combine traditional pharmaceutical science such as biochemistry with annotated knowledge of gene, protein, and single nucleotide polymorphism. Following are the benefits: more powerful medicine and better, safer drugs. The first time, more accurate methods of determining appropriate drug doses, and advantage screening for disease, better vaccines, improvement in the drug discovery and approval process. Disadvantage of pharmacogenomics: complexity of finding gene variation that affect drug response, limited drug alternatives, the incentive for companies to make multiple pharmacogenomics products, educate, educating healthcare providers. Pharmacogenomics in future. In development in this field with impact on drug design at three main levels. First, the interaction of the drug with its receptor binding site. Second, the absorption and distribution of the drug. Third, the elimination of the drug from the body. Limitation of the pharmacogenomics. Limitation of pharmacogenomics. First, many genes are involved in drug action, making the drug target very difficult. Sufficient validation of the results. Identification of the small inter-individual variation in everyone's gene is very difficult. Expensive ethical issues. Conclusion of pharmacogenomics. Pharmacogenomics in pharmaceutical industry in a potential tool awaiting use for the maximum benefit. It represents a radical advance in medical history. The main aims of it are personalized therapy, improvement in efficacy, or reduction in adverse drug reaction correlation of genotype with clinical genotype. Identification of novel target for new drugs and pharmacogenetics profiling of patient of predict disease susceptibility and drug response. In the post in the past, most drugs were designed to work on the population level rather than being target for the individual patient. By reversing that trend, pharmacogenomics help to refine the focus of treatment and makes drug more effective and less toxic. Rather than relying on the outward manifestation of disease, the sign and symptoms that physicians call the phenotype. Pharmacogenomics medicine examine and treat the genotype. Gradual inclusion of pharmacogenomic studies in drug discovery and development will cause substantial reduction in the expenses involved in drug development, ensure a safe clinical trial, and reduce failures. Thus, many potential drugs which may be lost due to the effect on the outlier in the study can be retained when pharmacogenomic study is used in the future. Some reference: pharmacogenomics